Hello, Namaskar. You are watching the Awaaz and this is Ashwini Surohi with you. Senior Congress leader Harish Rawat on Tuesday hit out at Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal for announcing jobs to 1 lakh people in Uttarakhand in 6 months. He claimed that Kejriwal has given jobs to only 6,000 people in Delhi during 7.5 years. The former Chief Minister of Uttarakhand tweeted, "Big claim that 1 lakh jobs will be given in 1 year. The question is, they have been running the government in Delhi for 7.5 years. In 7.5 years, only government jobs have been taken out and recruited in more than 6,000 posts. While the budget of Delhi is 3 times more than that of Uttarakhand. The budget is small, the promise is big. Big talk is being done just to survive in the elections." Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami said that if needed, a CBI inquiry will also be conducted into the death of Mahant Narendra Giri. The government is ready for any kind of investigation in the death of Mahant Narendra Giri. Chief Minister Dhami said that the death of Mahant Narendra Giri Maharaj, president of Akhil Bharatiya Akhada Parishad, is a matter of great sadness. Also, its investigation should also be solid. Whatever necessary steps and cooperation will be given to the UP police regarding the investigation from the level of his government. He said that if needed, a CBI inquiry should also be conducted in the matter. On behalf of the state of Uttarakhand, recruitment is being taken out for the post of Home Guards for the 5th and 8th pass youth. Candidates who want to apply for these posts can apply by visiting the official website. According to the released notification, through this recruitment, the District Commandant Home Guards, Dehradun District has recruited 108 posts. The application form is free. The last date to apply is 9 October 2021. All the applications drawn for this post last year have been rejected. Helicopter air service will start in 7 cities of Uttarakhand from October 7. Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia will launch the heli services on Tuesday. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami participated in an important meeting with the Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia through virtual medium from the Secretariat regarding increasing air services in Uttarakhand. Scindia said that the new terminal at Joli Grant will be inaugurated on October 7. The Dehradun Pantnagar Pithoragarh Pantnagar Dehradun air service will also be flagged off during the heli summit. The service will be provided by Pawan Hans. Dehradun Pithoragarh heli service will be approved soon. Civil Aviation Secretary Dilip Javalkar, Additional Secretary Swati S. Bhadoria were also present on the occasion. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has made many important announcements related to the education department. He said that free textbook would also be given to students of all classes up to class 9th and 12th from next year. Scholarship will be given to 100 toppers of class 12th to prepare for higher education for 5 years. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami reviewed the education department at the Secretariat on Tuesday. He took many new decisions regarding the interest of students and development of education. It was decided that in order to provide English and computer education to the students, arrangements would be made for guest teachers in English and computer subjects. He said that in the larger interest of the student and the education system, all the officers should voluntarily make a program of teaching in the school 1 day in a month. This will help in getting information about the status of infrastructure facilities of the school. Thank you and keep watching the Awaaz for more updates.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.